Hi Mark, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2010 BMW 1000 RR. You were asking me about the mileage, just less than 3,000 kilometers on it. The price is 12,288 plus HST and licensing. The motorcycle seems pretty stock. It does have this Yoshimura frame sliders. It does come with a brand new front and back tires. These are Dunlops Q3s. I think the screen is tinted, so it may count it as an upgrade. So it has it's pretty much a base model. It has ABS traction but does not have a heated grips on it. So here's the rear tire, same brand new as well. The condition of the motorcycle is very clean. Comes with a quick shifter. These are little Rizoma engine guards on the side here. And that's pretty much everything. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212. Thank you.